In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OANDA with TradingView, a partnership that allows you to streamline your trading experience efficiently and effectively. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need both an OANDA live trading account and a TradingView account. If you've already signed up for these, you're ready to log in and start this easy process. Begin by logging into your TradingView account. Once there, you'll need to locate the OANDA broker page. You can do this by searching for OANDA in the broker list or simply selecting OANDA from the trading panel located at the bottom of your chart. Now, you're just a few clicks away from linking your accounts. To initiate the connection, click on the Trade button or the Connect option that appears for the OANDA broker. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your OANDA account credentials. This step is crucial, as inputting the correct details will authorize the connection between the two platforms. Follow any additional on-screen prompts that appear to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm the link between your TradingView and OANDA accounts. Once your accounts are linked, you can start trading seamlessly. First, you'll want to select the financial instrument you wish to trade, say the URUSD currency pair. With your instrument selected, you can now harness the power of TradingView's advanced analysis tools. These include charting tools, indicators, and custom screeners, all at your disposal to help you make informed trading decisions. Placing an order is a straightforward process. You can right-click on the chart and select Trade, then choose Create New Order, or use the Trade button available on the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Once inside the order ticket, you'll be able to define the specifics of your trade. Decide how many units you want to buy or sell, and choose your preferred order type, whether it be market, limit, or stop. Don't forget to set your take profit and stop loss levels, critical components for managing your risk and potential returns. Once you're satisfied with your order settings, execute your trade by clicking Buy or Sell. It's that simple. The beauty of this integration is that your trades are reflected in both your OANDA account and within the TradingView platform, affording you a comprehensive view of your trading activity. By connecting these two platforms, you foster a streamlined trading process, making managing your trades more convenient without the hassle of switching between applications. You also gain access to TradingView's powerful charting capabilities coupled with OANDA's robust trading execution. The platform allows for comprehensive trade management, where you can view and manage your positions, pending orders, account summaries, and even your detailed trade history, all directly within TradingView. This seamless integration truly elevates your trading experience to new heights.